Hi guys, I'm going to introduce another tool and safety. This is an axe with a sheet. This is the handle, and this is the sheet. I take out the sheet like this. This is the blade, and this is the cutting edge of the axe. If I'm not using the axe, I'm going to put the sheet or the cover like this. I'll be standing with an axe like this. I'll be walking the axe like this. If I need to pass the axe to somebody else, I need to pass the axe like this. When I'm using the axe, I'll be 2 arms length away, plus the tool away from anybody except for my partner. I use the axe to split wood. I'll be bare hand when I'm using an axe. If I'm not using the axe, I'll put it in the ground, handle facing forward, blade facing towards me. When I'm done using my axe, I'm going to return it to the designated area or the toolbox that it needs to be stored. Thank you.